advisory board, and Ryan Murphy and Chase Greco. They were the good spirits behind it. And also Industrial Advisory Board of Computer Science Department. They provided funding and all the challenges and technical mentors for this. And also our marketing department. And with that, I will finish and turn over to Ryan, who will announce the winners. Thank you.
Awesome. So we're going to start off with the challenge prizes first, and then we're going to move into first, second, third, and last. So without further ado, the first challenge is Altria.
Just a reminder, our challenge again was a better way to age verify, and at Altria we find it extremely important that companies take a really responsible approach to making sure that only the intended audiences see their content. And so our giveaway item for the winner are these 4 drones. So we've got the 4 drones. Hopefully you saw them out there on the floor. And so it was really difficult judging for us. We were looking for approaches that had the highest degree of accuracy with the least amount of consumer friction. And I really appreciate all the teams that put in, I think, some really thoughtful and creative approaches to solving this problem. At the end of the day, it came down for us to finding a team that really looked at purchase history and the combination of wearable technology to really make a standout and winning challenge. So we'd like to congratulate Ram Health for their contribution. So congratulations. All right. Hey, we got a box. I'll bring it over to you. Good job. Thanks.
Congratulations, guys. Next up is Cloud Bees.
So our award, hello. Our award was for the best use of Jenkins on the day, as I talked to you guys about yesterday. Jenkins is a developer automation tool, and so in the spirit of that, our award today is Jenkins bobbleheads, so you have them on your desk, and also a little cool device called the Automatic. It's basically a little Bluetooth device. You plug it into the, when you have a check engine light on or whatever, the mechanic has some magic device you don't know how to use. It costs like $200 just to get the code read. So this does that, but also it sends all that driving data back to your phone. And then what I love the most about it is that then you can automate from that data. So I use it for other geeky things in my house, like setting my thermostat to home when I leave my office and stuff like this. It's all in the spirit of automation. So that's what the award's all about. So the best use of Jenkins award today, the CloudBees award, goes to the Doctorpedia guys. Absolutely. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Good work. So really quickly, what they did, by the way, they kind of took them over the edge. They checked their code into GitHub. Jenkins pulls out their code. Jenkins, based on GitHub post-commit hooks, which are very good. And then also they run like compression and minification stuff with their web app and actually do it, which is a pretty cool thing to be able to do. And I think it saved them a lot of time, actually maybe helped them get as far as they did in the project. So good job, guys. Thanks.
Awesome. So up third is Cat Tech.
Hey everybody. Cat Tech chose the user experience design aspects of your projects today as your challenge criteria. And there were some really great user experience designs. When it came down to it, The one that we liked the best was Rams for RVA.
Fourth is Wedsmith.
Good afternoon or evening. I know you guys are tired. The Websmith Group Challenge was the best application of geolocation features in a healthcare application. And a few of the things that we look for in evaluating you guys is, number one, how the idea was created, if there's a clear sense of who's going to use your technology. Also, we're looking at your development environment, the team roles that they clearly define, and how well you present your idea, and of course, how well it's executed. So in evaluating each of you, we've chosen Dr. Pedia as the winning team.
So next up is Capital One.
Good afternoon, everybody. First of all, it reminds me of my college days, right? The passion, the engineering that went in for problem solving. Just thank you. And I really enjoyed being around you guys for the past 2 days. So we looked at a number of things, number of attributes in choosing our number one. I have 2 awards today, right? Number one, which essentially is a $200 per team member award, and a second one is a $100 award. Number one also comes with us actually bringing you on site to Capital One and walking through the facilities and meeting with the great engineers out there, right? So we looked at a number of characteristics. How was the idea formulated, right? Did the candidates actually work as a team in formulating the idea, right? What business case does the idea actually solve? And lastly, best use of the Capital One API. That said, the award, the first place award goes to Dan, and his project name is called Squirrel. I'll take your address. I'll actually mail it to you. Okay, thank you. Thank you. And the second prize goes to a team called Money Watch. Toby and Srijan. So they created a Pebble Watch companion app, which essentially tells you that A, you can make purchases, and B, once you exhaust your monies, that you're close to an ATM, go deposit money so that you can make your next purchase. So, thank you.
Awesome. So I believe last on the list is Major League Hacking with Best Pebble Hack.
Kind of similar, but there was one function that kind of separated the two, so I chose Cash Point for this one, for Best Pebble.
so now we're going to go into the overall prize, the first, second, third. So, Chase, would you mind coming over here and giving out the prizes while I announce them?
Yeah, sure.
So, third place for the overall award was Pandemic. Awesome, and you guys each win a Raspberry Pi for the team. And Roosevelt for MLH. Alright, so second place, winning backpacks of holding for each member of the team, as well as second place award for MLH, is Squirrel.
Go Dan!
Lone Star right there. So first place, the overall award for Ramhacks 2015, winning 24-inch monitors for the entire team, as well as Dell tablets, is Dr. Pedia.
Can you get like a whole team picture, like the whole, that number?
The bad news, you have to sign for the money.
Those are VCU property.
Yes. You did it!
So just the last few words, make sure you guys take some food with you on the road. We have plenty left. Make sure you return your tech to MLH. You have your driver's license. And that's all I have to say. So thank you to our sponsors once again. You guys make this happen. Thank you to our tech mentors. This wouldn't be hackathon without you guys. And thank you to our participants. This is all for you.
And